Let's step through the test lab guide for configuring an integrated Exchange, Lync, and SharePoint test lab. The integrated Exchange, Lync, and SharePoint stack consists of the Windows Server 2012 Base Configuration Test Lab Guide, or TLG, the SQL Server 2012 TLG, the Microsoft Office Professional 2013 TLG Mini Module, the Exchange Server 2013 TLG, and lastly the integrated Exchange, Lync, and SharePoint TLG, which installs Lync Server 2013, SharePoint Server 2013, and configures a series of server-to-server trust relationships. Now let's build it out. In step 1, you start with the CorpNet subnet of the base configuration, which includes DC1, the Active Directory Domain Services or ADDS domain controller, App1, a web and file sharing application server, and Client1, a web client computer. You then rename App1 to SP1 and install Active Directory Certificate Services or ADCS, creating a basic public key infrastructure or PKI for the corp.contoso.com domain. In step 2, you add another server named SQL1 and join it to the corp.contoso.com domain. In step 3, you install SQL Server 2012 on SQL1. Note that this is different than the default instructions of the SQL Server 2012 TLG, which installs SQL Server on App1, which is now SP1. In step 4, you add a new client computer named Client2 and join it to the corp.contoso.com domain. You need 2 client computers to show Lync Server 2013 communications capabilities. In step 5, you add a new server named EX1, join it to the corp.contoso.com domain, and then install Exchange Server 2013 on it. You also install Microsoft Office Professional Plus on Client 1 and Client 2. In step 6, you add a new server, Lync1, and join it to the corp.contoso.com domain. In step 7, you install Lync Server 2013 on Lync1 and verify that you can create a Lync instant messaging connection between users on Client 1 and Client 2. In step 8, you install SharePoint Server 2013 on SP1 and then verify that you can access the default Contoso team site from Client 1. In step 9, you configure integration between EX1, Lync1, and SP1 in the form of server-to-server trust relationships, which allow a server to request resources of another server on behalf of a user. The test lab is now ready for cross-product configurations and scenarios. For more information about cross-product solutions with Exchange, Lync, and SharePoint Server, see the resources at aka.ms/MODA. Also visit microsoft.com/testlabguides.